Very good morning, dear students. In previous class, I told you about a polynomial and types of polynomial also on the basis of number of terms and on the basis of power of variable. Now, here the first thing is constant polynomial. Constant polynomial means in this we include all numerical values like all numbers. All numbers are constant polynomial. Like we can write 2, -5, -7, 10, 15. These all are constant polynomials and its degree is always 0. Degree of a constant polynomial is 0. Next is zero polynomial. Polynomial 0 is known as zero polynomial and its degree is not defined. Degree of a zero polynomial is not defined. Now next thing is coefficient. Suppose that we have an expression of x square plus x minus 3. So in this coefficient of x square means which number is multiplied by x square. Here what is with x square? No number is there, it means 1 is there. So coefficient of x square is 1. Coefficient of x is also 1 here. Why? Because no number is there with x, so we can write 1 as coefficient of x. Now suppose that we have minus 3y cube plus 2y square plus y. Here coefficient of y cube is minus 3 because minus 3 is with y cube and coefficient of y square is 2. Coefficient of y square is 2 and coefficient of y is 1. Suppose that this expression is given to us and we have to tell here coefficient of y power 4. Now y power 4 does not exist in this polynomial, so coefficient of y power 4 will be 0. Coefficient of y power 4 will be 0. Now exercise 2.1. Question number first. Which of the following expressions are polynomial in one variable and which are not? Means in which question we are getting only one variable. So in first there is only one variable, that is x. So this is a polynomial in one variable. In second also we are getting y, no other variable is there, so this is also a polynomial in one variable. In third, here square root t, it means power of t is half, and I told you in the definition of polynomial that power of variable must be a positive integer. Here power is half, so this is not a polynomial. Next is y plus 2 upon y. In this also we can write this by this way, 2. This is 1 upon y. If y will go upside, then its power will be minus 1. Now here power of y is minus 1, so this is also not a polynomial. And the last part, x power 10 plus y power 3 plus t power 50. In this we have 3 variables, so this is also not a polynomial in one variable. This is a polynomial but not in one variable. So we will write our answer in language form. Question number second. write the coefficient of x square in each of the following. Means we have to write coefficient of x square, this first part. So in the answer of first part we will write coefficient of x square is here, which number is with x square, no number is there, it means 1. So coefficient of x square is 1. In answer of this second one, with x square we have no number is there, it means minus sign is also there, it means minus 1 is coefficient of x square. In third part we have pi by 2 as coefficient of x square, and in fourth part we have in fourth part x square is not there, so coefficient of x square will be 0 in fourth part. Now question number third, give one example of each of a binomial of degree 35 and of a monomial of degree 100. Binomial means two term will be there, and degree is 35 means highest power of variable will be 35. Now we can write example as x power 35 plus 1. Any example you can write, in that you have to choose power as 35. We can write y power 35 plus y, and means two terms should be there. Here this first term, this second terms, two terms are there, first term, second term, two terms are there. So any one example we can write. And next is monomial of degree 100, means only a single term will be there and power of that single term will be 100. So we can write x power 100, only one term. We can write y power 100, we can write z power 100, we can write t power 100. These all are the examples of monomial of degree 100. Any one example you have to write, you can write any one. Next is question number 4. In this you have to write degree of degree of polynomial, and degree I explained you very well that highest power of variable is known as degree of polynomial. So some parts are given, in that you have to choose what is the highest power, that will be degree. And in question number 5, classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. So I told you previously about this also, what is a linear polynomial, means in that power of variable will be 1 only. In quadratic polynomial power of variable will be 2, and in cubic polynomial power of variable will be 3. So you can easily separate these parts of fifth question as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. So exercise 2.1 is completed. Rest of the things we will discuss in our next class. Till that, thank you and have a very good day ahead.